Just 1 hour and 42 minutes. That is the median time an attacker starts to spread through your network after a breach, according to Microsoft, and it illustrates the lightning-fast pace of cyber threats. Consuming a malicious open-source package equals an instant breach. No current update strategy can remotely match the speed. Most organizations scan for vulnerabilities at the build level, but by this stage, the developer and your systems are already compromised. Any countermeasures you scramble to deploy is a little too late. The damage is done. Trying to manage malicious packages as normal vulnerabilities is like trying to win a race with a flat tire. Malicious packages pose an active immediate risk and are designed with harmful intent. Vulnerable packages, on the other hand, represent a passive risk. They result from coding errors or oversights, not malicious intent. However, they can still have a potential impact if exploited by bad actors. Our goal should be clear: prevent malicious packages from ever penetrating our software development lifecycle. Only then can we truly fortify our defenses against these relentless cyber threats.